Is social media worth it in private practices? This is a question I get asked all the time from my physicians. And honestly, I understand why. Algorithms keep shifting, engagement can feel inconsistent, and it often seems like you're pouring your time and your energy into content without seeing much results. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 key questions you need to ask yourself to figure out if social media is actually worth your time in 2025. And if the answer is yes, I'll share a few tips on how to make it work without becoming a full-time content creator. Let's get into it. First, you need to ask yourself, do I have a clear goal for using social media? What are you actually trying to achieve? Do you want more patients, build trust, recruit staff, raise awareness? If you're saying you want more followers, that's not really a goal. What you really mean is that you want more people to see your account and like you so that they can become patients of yours. Remember, conversions and relationships matter. Without a clear purpose, you're going to waste time chasing likes instead of results. Next, you need to ask yourself, is my ideal patient actually on the platforms that I'm posting on? Not all platforms are equal, and not all audiences are on every platform. Think about your patients. Are your patients actually on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok? Or maybe do they spend more time on Google or LinkedIn or just check their emails? For example, if you're a geriatric practice, Instagram Reels may not be your best investment. Knowing your audience will determine where or if you should post on that platform. Here's a quick breakdown on what each major platform tends to attract. TikTok's best for a younger audience. Wellness, aesthetic, and weight loss, skincare, and sexual health. Demographics is probably between 18 to 35-year-olds. It's very trend and video driven. If your patients are Gen Z or millennials looking for transformation or transparency, then this is the platform for you. Instagram, it's best for wellness, aesthetic practices, OBGYN, dermatology, fitness, IV therapy, and concierge medicine, to name a few. Your demographics, 25 to 45-year-olds, and it's actually mostly female skewed. It's great for building authority, showing before and afters, behind the scenes, or educating in a fun way. If your patient cares about lifestyle, appearance, or personalized experience, then Instagram is for you. Basics best for primary care physicians, family practice, pediatrics, geriatrics, and community-based practices. Your demographics is 35 and over, and it includes caregivers and decision makers. It's often better for patient retention than acquisition, unless you're pairing it with paid ads. If your patients are parents, retirees, or community-oriented, then Facebook's highly recommended still. YouTube is best for specialties, long-form education, second opinion seekers, and complex care providers. Your demographics are all ages, but especially between 30 and 60-year-olds who are searching for trusted information. It's really great for physicians who want to build authority through long-form evergreen videos. So ideal content could be what to expect during a vasectomy. Why does your thyroid matter? So if you enjoy teaching and want to build long-term trust, YouTube is a good channel for you. Next, number 3, can you be consistent without burning out? Sporadic posting rarely moves the needle. Consistency matters more than going viral. Do you or your team have the bandwidth to post weekly or bi-weekly? Can you do batch content or repurpose content? Burnout really is real, so don't start it if you can't maintain it. And if you don't have the time, consider outsourcing it. You can also do batch content monthly or repurpose your existing material, like blogs, patient questions, FAQs, and introduce your team. Number 4, do you have a way to turn followers into patients? Having a lot of followers doesn't usually pay the bills, but getting them to convert into patients does. So, do you have a clear call to action in your bio and descriptions? Meaning, do you have the phone number to your practice so they can call and make an appointment? Is there an easy way for somebody to book an appointment, call your practice, or even message your office? Again, this should be in your bio and in descriptions of what you post. Social media can work, but only if it feeds into a system that turns your attention into actions. And number 5, are there better ways for you to get patients right now? Just because everybody's doing this doesn't mean that you should be doing this. You need to think about, would your time be better spent optimizing your Google reviews, getting SEO keywords for your website, fixing and updating your website? For some practices, social media is the cherry on top, not the main strategy. So if you answered yes to most of these questions, then social media can absolutely be a powerful tool for your practice. And if you're ready to build a smarter, more strategic social media presence, but you don't have the time or the team to do it, then click the link in the description and book a free call with me. If you're still on the fence, no problem. In the next video, I'm going to break down pros and cons to traditional versus digital marketing so you can make a smart investment for your practice. So click over and I'll see you there. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip to grow your practice with less stress and more strategy.